When we are coloring a house, now for this part of the house, you can either color horizontal or slanting, but not vertical. Why? Because this is curve and slanting, correct? So your coloring should also be like this. And as I had mentioned while coloring the tree, that we will always first color lightly. Okay, I'll show a little area so that you guys will get an idea. Okay, now on top what happens, at times we leave out some white gaps. So once you're done coloring, then you can just very lightly cover up this place like this. Okay, and then your second layer can be dark. Never make your first layer very dark, because if you make the first layer dark, now then you can never mix or blend the other color. I mean, I shouldn't say never, you can, but then it does not bring out the right effect and impact on your color. Now if I take the second color, which can be dark, now you can take brown, you can take black. Okay, so now the second color you can go dark, and you can just color on top of it to show a little shadow or shading in your colors. Now if you notice, I am not coloring till the end, the dark one. I've just colored more than half area. So I will take the same color again and I will just blend that little bit like this. Okay, now when it comes to this part and this part, these two will be colored vertically. Okay, so when we have to color vertically, we will again hold it like this and we will just, but here I will color very lightly and I will go with small strokes like the hatching strokes. Okay, and very lightly you will color. And try to leave the window area. Do not color inside the window area. If colors go by mistake, it is okay, but try to avoid the window area. Okay, and if it goes, then we can always erase it, but try to avoid as much as you can. Now the bottom part, you can just hold your pencil little bit over here. Do not hold here. Hold it here, and you can go little very lightly in the vertical, in the horizontal way. Now the same thing you will do it in this area, in this place also. Okay, now just to show a shadow, okay, because this part is inside, this part of my house is inside, my window is here, I may have a little shadow of the window here, so only on this part I will go dark. Okay, and if you see, I'm not again coloring till the end of the house, only till where I feel it will go, I will have the shadow area. Maybe a little bit on this side, maybe this side I'll just put very little. And then I'll just color this place also a little bit. Okay, then I will again take my light color and now I will mix the two. So I will blend the two. So for that I will go dark, but I will again not go very dark. Okay, I will color dark, but I will not color the entire place dark. I will just blend little bit of this place and slightly below the window. Get it? Okay, this part we will color in two directions. because I have to show the steps, that I have 2 steps here. So this, the top part, I will color horizontal. Okay, again I will say the first layer should be colored lightly. And this part I will color vertical. Okay, because then this will show the dropping of the steps area, or the stairs, or the small like whatever path which goes to my walking path. Okay, now I take the dark color and just below the house, just below this place, I will make it dark. And then I will make this line dark, and I'll make this portion slightly darker than my top area. Right? You can also color the window. Now window can be colored horizontal or vertical depending on how you want your window to look like. Okay? Even your door will be colored vertical or horizontal, however you want it to look. Cool? Understood?